Xiaomi is ready with its next flagship phone, the Mi Mix 3. Notably, the predecessor of the phone, the Mi Mix 2 and the Mi Mix 2S comes with a drastically different design and offered impressive specifications. Taking that line forward, the Mi Mix 3 is going to debut with some high-end hardware, and it is also going to provide a brand new design. The highlight of the Mi Mix series phone by Xiaomi has been bezel-less display, and undoubtedly the Mi Mix 3 is also going to come with bezel-less display along with a pop-up camera with a sliding mechanism. Apart from that, the phone will even come with a bigger battery and a bigger screen. As for the pricing, the Mi Mix 3 has been rumored to be priced around 3799 Yuan, which approximately translates to Rs 40,000 Indian rupees for the 6GB 256GB variant of the phone. The previous launch in this lineup, the Mi Mix 2 sported a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus LCD with 1080 by 2160 pixel resolution. However, with the Mi Mix 3, these numbers are expected to be upgraded. The Mi Mix 3 will likely come with a display which will be larger than 6 inches. The screen is also likely to get a taller form with the 19:9 aspect ratio. Not only that, the significant change which we will get spot on the Mi Mix 3 is the sliding camera. Whenever the camera app is opened, the front camera will slide up from the phone to reveal the sensor. The mechanism on the device is expected to be similar to the one found on Oppo Find X. Notably, this new design revamp on the Mi Mix 3 as compared to its predecessor is expected to offer a better multimedia viewing experience. Also, it will substantially increase the screen-to-body ratio since the camera is going to be encased in a sliding mechanism instead of taking its place on the upper or lower bezel. There have been rumors floating around the internet which point towards the presence of an in-display fingerprint sensor on the Mi Mix 3. If this happens, then the Mi Mix 3 will join the league of some of the latest tech upgraded phones in the market right now. However, there have also been talk about opposite as well. Some are of the opinion that the Mi Mix 3 will stick with the rear-mounted fingerprint sensor like its predecessor. Previous rumor pointed that the Mi Mix 3 would even come with a similar setup of 12 plus 12 megapixel. However, now the phone is likely to come with 16 plus 12 megapixel setup where the 12 megapixel lens will be telephoto 1. On the front, the Mi Mix 3 is expected to sport the same 5 megapixel shooter. The Xiao AI button, which will be located on the right edge of the phone, is expected to be similar to the Samsung's Bixby button. This button will open Xiao AI Assistant where users will be able to ask questions by tapping or long pressing the AI button. The AI Assistant will also help user to perform some journal tasks. The Mi Mix 3 will come with a top-notch Snapdragon 845 processor which also powers phones like OnePlus 6, the Poco F1 and other highly spec'd smartphones concerning performance. The phone has also been rumored to come with 2 RAM variants and a single storage variant. The first variant will support 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, whereas the second variant will come with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Rumors have also hinted towards an IP68 rating for the Mi Mix 3, which is highly unlikely due to sliding camera, and the phone will boot Android Pie based MIUI 10. Xiaomi will reportedly launch the Mi Mix 3 alongside Mi Note 4 on October 15. The new report comes courtesy of a poster that surfaced on Chinese microblogging site Weibo. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.